Viewers, again, this will be one of the planning lesson and risk management, how to cover with the real-time learner. And I've got my lovely lady here. What is she called?
Amelia.
Amelia, thank you. She's there and she will help you to choose your lesson planning with a real learner in a real life. And we had a few sessions together, and she will help you how to, what do we mean by lesson planning and what do we mean by risk management. And the risk management part, last time I've spoke, it was that, was you clear with your instruction and direction with your learner, and was it timely, was it appropriate? And the next part is, let me see what exactly they say. They say, was the sufficient feedback given to help the pupil understand and potential safety critical incident. What does that mean? In a simple words, this means 3 C's: cause, consequences, and correction. Who is going to do the correction? Obviously we both help each other. So but with the cause, you have to ask, depending on the agreement that you had with them on the lesson planning, on the goal setting, that how did they do it, why did that happen, how did that happen. And if you come to agreement, obviously they've not done it deliberately. They will tell you that, oh, this happened, this happened, this happened, maybe late observation, late gear change, or stalling, maybe clutch 4C and things like that, or too high, too quick, or hesitancy. And then you have to go in it, and the consequences, you have to explain. Some learners, they won't understand what is the consequences behind it, but 99.9% they know. They are adults sitting with you guys. They will tell you, oh, that was like this, we would have caused the accident, we would have caused the danger to others, we have troubled. And in this country, you know, the normal kids like these, they don't want to cause trouble to anybody. They're always very polite, they're always very nice, they're always very with every word, sorry. Even though I've seen here, when they go into the gear a little bit jerky and all that, they start saying to you, oh, sorry. They're not doing it deliberately, but they don't want that to happen. But when it happens, they have nothing else to say. They'll say to you, sorry. So again, what my purpose is to explain them, okay, fine, happens, but let's go to the other side, the third C, which is third C. Third C means correction. How we can, that's the main part. How can we correct this for the next time? That will be we're doing today. This will be a kind of commentary driving, and that's your lesson planning, that's your risk management, and then teaching strategies will go further down. This is the first video with this lady, and she might be a bit hesitant, and I had the comment from the last time that the guy wasn't showing his face. You don't know what sort of job he is in, and I do ask them first, and if they won't, she's a good friend of mine, she don't mind, but we are in a good job, she's in a best job, and of course she don't shy from camera shy. But the other guy, he wasn't camera shy, but I don't want to disclose his job. Obviously they are somewhere doing some work, and they don't want to show their faces at some point. Now, Amelia, madam.
Yes.
Last time we made the drive